Hi, in this video I'm going to assemble an infrared distance measuring sensor. If you are not sure how it works, then let me explain to you. There are one infrared emitter and one receiver on the circuit board. The emitter emits light, and if there is an object in front of it, the light hits the object and comes back, and then the receiver picks up the light particle and outputs a signal. And by measuring time delay between emitting the light and receiving it, it can determine how far the object is. By turning this potentiometer clockwise and anti-clockwise, you can control the distance you want.